Jinan Metro is a rapid transit system serving Jinan, the capital of Shandong Province, China. Planning of the system began in the early 2000s but was delayed due to 2008 world economic crisis. After years of preparation, construction started at an official ceremony on 29 December 2013. The first line, Line 1, also known as R1, has a total of 11 stations and a length of 26.3 kilometers. It was inaugurated on January 1, 2019 with a 3-month public trial run. The first phase of construction was adopted by National Development and Reform Commission and includes 3 lines, R1, R3 and R2, with 47 stations. The first phase has a total length of 96.5 kilometers, including 72.2 kilometers of underground section, 23.8 kilometers of elevated section, and 0.5 kilometers of transitional section. The city's government plans to build 8 lines of urban suburban metro with 262 km length and 154 stations, including 80 interchange stations in total. 4 lines will run west-east and 3 lines will run north-south. The last one will provide a loop service. The metro uses Alstom Nanjing Puzhen rolling stock works, Metropolis, Type B 6-car rolling stock. The fare system is based on existing smart car technology. Line 1 runs north-south in the western part of the city. It was officially inaugurated on 1st January 2019. Line 2 is 36.39 km line, 34.5 km is underground. Line 3 Phase 1 is a 21.59 km line, all underground.